Good evening, students and fellow YouTubers. I am Forrest Hart, and this is my Cell City. So, in this, you have a road which is representing the smooth endoplasmic rectum. The road, yes, you can have semis and stuff, but it doesn't really carry much weight because of bridges, and they could collapse. So this represents the smooth endoplasmic rectum because this allows materials to get throughout the cell through the means of the Golgi apparatus or the postal service. We will be talking about that later. This, however, cannot carry proteins. It just doesn't have the strength. The green stuff and the grass is a filler. It is the cytoplasm because the cytoplasm keeps everything in place and it just fills in the space that isn't taken up by an organella. After this, you have the cell membrane, which serves as a city wall because it restricts what gets in and what gets out in both cases. This is a rough endoplasmic rectum. This can carry more, and thus this can also carry proteins, whereas the smooth endoplasmic rectum cannot. This is the lysosome. It serves as a landfill, breaking down excess proteins and waste from organelle processes. This is the parenting center. It serves as a centriole due to the fact that it helps parents teach their kids to go and found their own cities, just like a centriole allows a cell to divide. This is the lumberyard. The lumberyard serves as a ribosome because the ribosome creates proteins for the cell to grow, just as the lumberyard creates materials for the city to grow. This is the police station, or a cytoskeleton. This keeps order in the city, just as a cytoskeleton keeps the shape and order inside of a cell. This is the vacuoles. The vacuoles store the food, energy, and water for a cell until needed, just like the water tower here stores water for the residents until needed. This is the town hall. Inside you have a copy machine, which is a nucleose, which helps recreate the DNA and RNA. The RNA, which is a building blueprint, which serves as it's half of the DNA. The DNA serves as a city blueprint, which means that they can just recreate the city somewhere else, just like a cell splits its DNA in order to create the cell somewhere else. This is the Golgi apparatus. It serves as the postal service in a city. It allows for the postal service allows for packages to get to and from the residences in the city, just like the Golgi apparatus allows the materials made by the ribosomes to get around. It sends the proteins that are made by the ribosomes out to different organelles of the cell. Also, on the town hall, it represents the nucleus because it controls all the functions of the cell or city, just like the nucleus does. This is a bus stop. This is representing a flagella, or flagellum. It helps to move stuff around the city faster, or the flagella allows materials to move around the cell faster. This is a mitochondria and a secondary mitochondria. These two produce energy for the cell to use in its processes for the organelles. Thank you for watching, and I've been Forrest Hart, 5th period STEM Bio for Miss Blackman. Have a good day.